Up next, we have Nina Stark, Emily Edom, and Kevin Franke talking about the interactions between Arctic coastal and ravine processes in the built environment and impacts on communities.
Thanks, James. Thank you for the opportunity to present on our project here. So this is a planning grant, so we are just starting out really. We're in the second phase of the planning grant, so please really consider this an invitation to collaboration and reach out to us. So I'm not presenting anything new when I'm saying that infrastructure is a key to community health, functionality, and long-term sustainability. However, we know that climate-driven environmental changes and compound effects of those changes will impact infrastructure and the built environment. So to prepare for, mitigate, and adapt for these changes and understanding of how natural processes affect local infrastructure and communities is of importance. However, there's still really a significant lack of understanding as well as data availability, particularly when it comes to compounded effects of climate change, as well as a lack of creative and sustainable solutions suitable for the respective communities and their specific needs and goals. Next slide, please. So the goal of this project is to actually start developing research hypotheses and questions that would actually lead to a significant advancement of the relationship and the understanding of the relationship between natural, coastal, and riverine processes in the Arctic built environment in the context of climate change. We also want to look into what could be data collection and monitoring strategies that could actually help getting data more continuously, frequently over longer periods and more locations. So not only being a research team coming in, collecting data, but actually working with the communities for a sustainable data collection strategy. We want to identify specific expertise and research needs, and then hopefully assemble a diverse and interdisciplinary research team to go forward with research in this topic. And we want to engage with Arctic coastal communities and stakeholders in regard to all of these three goals and set a pathway for community and stakeholder engagement in future data collections and projects. Next slide, please. So at this time, we have concluded phase number 1 of the project that featured a stakeholder and researcher workshop asking what are the most pressing issues and research needs in this matter. The report is actually available on our website, as well as a video presentation that was presented at AGU based on this phase 1 of this project. And phase 2 is currently ongoing, and this focuses on community visits. So we want to actually come out to communities and talk to them about their infrastructure questions, needs, and where they see problems with future climate adaptation. So we are really interested in community conversations, collaboration. So if this topic would be of interest to you, and I invite you to check out our website for more information, or contact me directly or our project website. Thank you so much for this opportunity.